Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to see some form control buttons, how to assign a macro to it. In the previous video, we have seen a small thing about it, like how do we do that? We just did it for one of the subroutines. So in this particular video, we'll have a in detail review about it. So let's get started with it. So the content tool would be like adding a form control button, assigning a subroutine to it, and different types of form control buttons. So let's get back to the sheet first. Oh, okay. So I'll be using the same sheet as I've said. The sheet will be available with you with the link given below in the video. So for now, we have this particular button from the previous sheet. Let me just delete it. Okay, here we are. So we have different subroutines. We have different subroutines over here. Okay, in this what we can do is, as we have said, we can have add this particular button, select a area, and we can say, and we can edit the text of it. Before that, design mode. And so this is what we have seen in the previous video. But apart from that, we have a label as well, which says click here to start the execution. Just a label, like if you don't wish to add anything or add any more data to a button, we can add a label to it. And the formats would be, you can increase the size, or you can increase the font of it as well. So that's up to you, how do you wish to do it. For the time being, let's have it as it is over here. Okay. Then apart from that, as you have seen in the starting videos, we have different checkboxes. You can see here a different checkbox. You can copy this particular checkbox as well. You can rename it. Checkbox 1. And it says checkbox 2. So you can assign a macro to it as well, or you can assign a subroutine to it as well. So say clear. I'll say here as clear data, and here as edit text as and say copy data. So that's how you have, like, you can assign a particular macro to it. And again, as to click on start, that's how you can add different buttons, different options, like a checkbox. You can also add a radio button, and you can have a drop down button. You can have a toggle button as well. So we have different options. Maybe I just have shown you three: a label, a button, and a checkbox. You can try out different options like a radio button and some other things. Like if you have any queries in it, post it down with the video. So that's all we have for this particular video. In the next video, we'll try to cover MSG box functions. So till then, thank you.